Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very basic and low poly chicken, very low poly basic chicken in Blender. So let's start. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm going to play this video in normal speed. So let's start. First I'm going to select this face, select the move tool and select it here like this. Then I'm going to press E to extrude, then W E to extrude and move tool and keep it here like this. Then I'm going to select this face, E to extrude and select it like this here. Okay, I'm going to select this both face and move it a little bit here like this. Okay, then I'm going to select another cube, add. I'm going to create another cube. For that I'm going to go in object mode, add mesh and cube, and then I'm going to move it here. Then I'm going to scale it a little bit here like this, and then I'm going to push it here like this. I'm going to give white color to this and black color to this box. I'm going. White is taking too long to. Yes, I'm going to give black color here like this. Then I'm going to select this again, Shift D to duplicate and press Y axis and move it here like this. Now I'm going to select this, press Shift D to duplicate, then X axis, the Z axis like this. Then I'm going to scale it little bit here. Then I'm going to give red material here, new material, and I'm going to give red material here like this. Then I'm going to select this cube, press G for move tool, grab, select this, press Shift D to duplicate, G to grab, and X axis like this, and move it little bit here like this. Move it little bit here like this and give another color here. Assign like this. Then I'm going to select this, Shift D to duplicate, G to move tool, and go X axis like this, and move it little bit here, and scale it little bit here like this. So we have something like this. Now select this, press Shift D to duplicate, Y to this axis, and then move it little bit here, and then scale it little bit like this. So we have something like this. Press Shift D to duplicate and press Y to move it little bit here like this. So we have something like this. Press S for move tool. Also press S for move tool. And then what we have to do is go in object mode, there's mesh cube, and then we have to scale it little bit like this. Move it little bit here like this. And then again go in this face mode, and we have to extrude it like this here. And then select this, again press E to extrude, G to grab tool, and press Y or X, extrude it here. This also E, extrude is here. This and this also E, and extrude along normals here like this. What we have to do is select this face and then move it little bit here like this. Select this face and move it little bit here like this. Press shift D again to duplicate, Y axis, and click and drag here. So this is our low poly chicken, very low poly chicken. So let's render this. Again create add mesh plane, create one plane, rotate it, and scale it little bit like this, and move it little bit here like this. And scale it little bit like this, and give color blue here. Select this camera, press N, and then camera to view, and click and drag camera over here like this. Where is the light? Go to light, press sunlight, and target. Move little bit here, scale it little bit like this. So let's render this. Render image. Okay, the lighting is not proper. Go into lighting. Here give 700. Sunlight give 7. Give 12. Shadow, turn off the shadow. we have something like this. So let's render this. So this is our final image. If you want, you can also add one area light, add light, and one area light here like this. Spotlight and area light, and increase the shift D, Z axis, keep it here like this. You also keep it here like this. As let's render this. So this is our very simple low poly chicken. I'm going to save this image, save image, desktop. I'm going to name it as chicken, and I'm going to PNG. No, I'm going to keep as JPG image, and then I'm going to save this image. So that's it, friend. This is our final render, and this is our chicken. This is our chicken. This is our final render. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. This is very low poly chicken, by the way. Minecraft's low poly chicken, like that. So bye guys.